Congress accused the Modi government of socially distancing itself from the citizens. Congress said it was evident in the rise in hunger in the country and absence of any development during last 6 years. Congress has also questioned the claims made by the Prime Minister in his radio address Mann Ki Baat. Congress's Kapil Sibal said that BJP's agenda before lockdown was Article 370, Ayodhya, CAA and NRC.
मई 2019 से लेकर 24 मार्च 2020 तक हिंदुस्तान के सामने सरकार के एजेंडे क्या थे? CAA 370, ट्रिपल तलाक, NRC, पॉपुलेशन रजिस्टर, राम जन्मभूमि। ये इनका पोलराइज्ड एजेंडा, communal agenda.
Congress has alleged that BJP's misplaced agendas have resulted in rise in poverty and collapse in healthcare system in India. According to the Global Hunger Index, India ranks 102 out of the 117 countries. Has this government in the last 6 years concentrated on the real issues of the people of India? Asked Kapil Sibal. At least now change the way you are handling the future of the country, Sibal said. He also added, the government tells the court that we are prophets of doom. Future history books will recognize these 6 years as harbinger of doom.
The government tells the court that we are prophets of doom. And future history books will recognize these 6 years of this government as being a harbinger of doom.
Sibal alleged the Solicitor General's statement about high courts running a parallel government was aimed at browbeating the courts. Congress has been questioning the handling of the pandemic in the country. Rahul Gandhi has also asked the government to tell about its plan B to control the coronavirus as the lockdown has totally failed and the cases surge high.
That the aim and the purpose of our lockdown has failed. But we want to understand what the government's view is going forward. We want to understand what is their strategy. It is pretty clear that 4 stages of lockdown have not produced the result that the Prime Minister expected.
As the lockdown has failed and the unlock is also being questioned by the experts when the cases soar high, Congress has asked the government to be transparent about its next strategy.